Most people get this wrong. They think Cashgo is just a quick payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Cashgo has grown into a flexible financial platform, offering early wage access, installment plans, and spending insights to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. Cashgo allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is useful for emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. Cashgo also offers installment plans for eligible purchases, making it easier to budget larger expenses without surprises. The app includes a dashboard to track advances, upcoming payments, and spending trends. Alerts and reminders help you stay on top of repayments and avoid late fees, supporting better financial habits. The downside? Overusing Cashgo can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and depending too heavily on the app can mask deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Cashgo. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Cashgo in 2026 is a practical, flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your repayments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical money advice to stay in control of your finances.